A few days ago, I found an old video I made years ago, but the quality was really bad, blurry and low resolution. Then I tried 40 AI video enhancer and wow, it fixed everything in just a few clicks. Now it looks clean, sharp, even 4K. You can unblur, upscale and make any video looks professional. Perfect for YouTubers, vloggers and anyone making videos. So in this video I will show how to use 40 AI video enhancer. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let me show official website 40 AI video enhancer, and let's see what we can do this with this software. So first one, AI video enhancer, we can enhance videos. Then AI video upscaler, we can upscale videos, and AI video sharpener, and AI old video restorer, and AI video colorizer. So we can see other features here, color contrast enhance, and for AI models, we can use these AI models for create better enhanced videos. So we can click this button for get 40 video enhancer. So guys, after open software, we can see we have a lot of features here. For example, video repair, photo repair, file repair, and audio repair. Also email and DLL fixer. And today we will focus AI enhancer features. So also we can see here photo enhancer, photo colorizer and video colorizer. Let's click video enhancer first. And interface very user friendly and easy. We can click here for add video and choose our video, click open. So let's click play. My video is very low quality and there are more noises and blurriness. Let's fix it. So we have 3 AI models. General model, we can see preview here, and face model, and anime model for cartoon or 3D animations. Right now I will use general model. And resolution, we can upscale this 2 times or 4 times. And I will choose 2 times 4K. And AI enhance, we have 2 ways here, quality first and speed first. I will use quality first. And apply to all videos and auto save. Let's click enhance and wait for results. So we can see results here, and there is not noises and all is fine. And let's wait for full enhanced video. And after enhanced processing, let's click save and select folder and waiting for saving. So guys, we have another video with noises and blurriness. Let's see. Okay, so let's fix it. And right now I will use AI face model. Let's choose. And AI enhance, we have again 2 choice here, soften or sharpen. I will use soften. And apply to all videos, auto save disable, and click enhance. Okay, here we go. We can see results here, very clean, very soft, not any noises. I like it. Let's wait for full enhancing version. Okay, so we can see sizes here. This is before sizes and after size. Nice. Let's click save and select folder and wait for result. So guys, time to enhance animated videos. We can see mosaic, noises and low quality. Let's choose anime model and click enhance. Okay, that's good. We can see clean animated video. I like it. And let's click save. Again, choose folder, select folder and waiting for enhanced version. So guys, let's back to home and open video colorize and let's add video. Okay, let's click play. Video quality not bad, but I want to add colors. Go to colorize model and AI colorize, and AI ask this is old video or black and white. This is black and white video. Let's choose this choice and click colorize. Let's wait result. Okay, here we go. We can see with color vision, we can see background colors, also green and red and brown. That's very good. Also, this video has enhanced. This is before version, HD sizes, and after version 4K. That's good. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.